Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to verify your work email on LinkedIn. Verifying your work email on LinkedIn helps build credibility and trust on your profile. It shows that you're genuinely associated with your organization, which can be especially useful for networking, hiring, or business communication. To begin, open your browser and go to LinkedIn. Log in to your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, click on your profile picture and select View Profile. On your profile page, look for the three dots, More Options, near your profile section and click on them. From the drop-down menu, select Verifications. Inside the verification section, you may not see any active verifications yet. If that's the case, look for the option that says Learn More and click on it. This will take you to a page explaining LinkedIn's verification features. Here, find and click on Verify Now. At this stage, LinkedIn may not have full access to verification in all regions or for all users. If verification isn't immediately available, you'll be given the option to join the waitlist. Click on Join the Waitlist to register your interest. Once LinkedIn enables the feature for your account, you'll be notified and can proceed with verifying your work email. Using LinkedIn verification features helps strengthen your profile and adds an extra layer of authenticity. To summarize, verifying your work email on LinkedIn involves going to your profile, opening the verification section, selecting Learn More, clicking Verify Now, and joining the waitlist if the feature isn't available yet. Once enabled, you'll be able to complete the verification process. And that's how to verify your work email on LinkedIn. While the feature may not be fully available to everyone yet, joining the waitlist ensures you'll be among the first to access it when it rolls out. This small step can make a big difference in how others perceive your profile, especially when you're networking, applying for jobs, or building your professional presence. As LinkedIn continues to expand its verification features, it's definitely worth staying updated and taking advantage of them as soon as they become available to you. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.